You can see little bit text is also showing here. Simply you can add content.
In this video, I am going to tell you how you can create a landing page to sell a product using Elementor in WordPress. First of all, you need to install Elementor in your WordPress and you need to follow the steps given in this video. And I assure you that after watching this video, you will be able to create a attractive landing page for your WordPress website. So without wasting any time, let's go to my PC and see how you can create a landing page.
So as of now, my web page is showing like this. So I'm logged into my page. So what I need to do, I need to install Elementor. You need to simply go to the plugin and install Elementor. After that, you need to create a page. Go to pages and create a page here. Give a title to it and click on publish and publish it. And after that, after publishing it, you need to click on this edit with Elementor option. So just tap on this edit with Elementor. So herein this is the page which is showing here, but I do not want header and footer. So what I need to do, so I need to go to the settings option, and herein I need to scroll down a bit, click on this page layout option and click on Elementor canvas. So after clicking on this Elementor canvas, all header and footer will not show up, and it will show like a simple page. Now you can simply drag a container here. So you need to select this page and then click on style option. Here you need to select an image. So you need to upload your image. After that, click on this image and select this option, and you can see image is now downloaded here. So it is not showing properly. You need to click on this and select the proper size, make it large or default full is fine. So we need to tweak it, make the changes. Now click on layout, make it grid. You can see little bit more is showing. Decrease the width or increase the width from here. Minimum size, maximum size you can increase from here. It is showing like this. You can increase the height as well from here if you want, so that it will show up full. It is showing extra, so I will just make it like this. So you need to use this option properly, and after that click on publish, and let me refresh this page now whether the image is showing properly. So you can see there is one image, you can see only in my landing page. So what I need to add some text here. So I will go to container again. Herein I will add some text and click on this plus button here. So I will select this container, click on settings. So I will click on this container style, make some changes like you can add a content here. You can click on this plus button, add an element. So let me add a heading first. So drag and drop this heading simply here. So this is the heading, you can see. So you can write anything like health is wealth. So you can select this h1 tag or h2 tag. I will select h1 tag, click on style, click on typography, and from here you can increase the size or decrease the size like this. Health is wealth. You can do other changes as well. You can change the style from here. You can change the text color from here. So I want pure white or something like this. Health is wealth, or you can choose a black one as well. So let me select this one. So click on this hover button. You can transition, you can choose. So after that, click on text shadow. If you want shadow, you can blur it a little bit, make it horizontal, vertical as per your requirement. Text stroke you can select if you like any stroke, text stroke. Typography I have already selected, and you can select change the size from here, increase or decrease the size. All these options are available which you can use. Click on this advanced option, or in style make sure to you can select a center, left. You can make it center as well, or left as well, or right as well, or justified as well. So you can select any one of these. So make it like this. So what I need to do, I need to add a link like buy now link from here. I need to add some link as well, because every landing page has some link. So search simply button option. So click on this button option and drag and drop it here. I want to add a button here wherein I want to add a link. So as you can see, button option is now added here. Change the color of this button. I will just double tap with this, right like this, get it now, and you can enter the URL here like www.abc.com. you can type any URL here. You can change the color as well if you want. You can click on style, you can click on typography. You can increase or decrease the size of this as per your requirement. You can use other options in this button. Here's available. Border type you can select whether you want default or something else. Click on this advanced option, scroll down a bit, and you can see in position you need to click on this option absolute. So after clicking on this, you can drag and drop this anywhere. So drag it anywhere you want like this, and you can select this. For this as well, I will recommend select position to absolute, because you need it at the required place. So it is better to select this, which you need to select, I think, position in absolute. Drag and drop it anywhere you want. It is very easy. And you can add some description as well. You can click on this add element, and you can simply type description, add some short description, like you can see text editor is now added here. So I will first of all make it absolute, and I will write something here. Select like this, and you can align it properly. You can change the text color. You can add image as well. You can go to style, you can go to typography, increase the size of this text and change the color of this text as well, something like this. You can increase the size of this text as well if you want, make it center or right. So you can just publish it and refresh it and see how all this showing. No header and no footer is showing as of now. You can see a heading is showing. You can move it anywhere you want. You can see little bit text is also showing here. Simply you can add a container like this, which I have added, and you can add further content below. So it is very simple. You can furtherly add more container here and add text like this. So I hope friends now you will be able to make this simple landing page, and further changes I will tell you in my upcoming video. So I hope friends now you will be able to do it. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button, also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.
So I hope friends now you will be able to create a landing page and get many leads to your business. So in case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button, also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.